Hi everyone, welcome to the Linea booth. I want to show you some of the new things that we've got to be released. We have the NSC processors. The NSC processors are 96 kilohertz sample rate, input sample rate, with FIR compatibility, cross-platform preset compatibility with all of our other products. And then we have three ranges to choose from. We have 2 in, 4 out, 4 in, 6 out, and a 4 in, 8 out. This is very competitively priced and should be able to integrate into your systems seamlessly. We also have a System Engineer 8 on stand here. This is a new version. This includes session files, which enables you to record your system setup wholeheartedly, including your view mode, and any information that is stored inside each component that you have inside your system. This also has daylight mode in case you're operating in daylight, so you'll be able to see everything on the screen. So that is what we have here available at the moment. It's in stock in the US, and please, if you need any more information, then please go to www.linea-research.com for more details.